Okay, so here's the finished product. I just barely started putting on false eyelashes, so I'm not really that good at it. Um, I accidentally put this eyelash on as soon as I put the glue on instead of waving it around and letting it get tacky. I do know that you're supposed to do that, and I forgot, or I skipped a step. With this glue, it's black. I'm not so sure that I like it being black just because I guess it does blend into your eyeliner, but it's also getting black. Like if you can see around here, it's probably because I'm not very good at applying this. So what I was going to do is just go in and do more of a liner. And then I also have heard that you should put a full lid of line or full line of black eyeliner when you are doing false eyelashes because it helps disguise the line. And I am doing this a long way away from my mirror, and so I can't really see what I'm doing. I need to get a makeup mirror that is a lot closer to the camera. But anyway, I just mostly wanted to show everyone what these eyelashes looked like. Again, they're the Ardell 120. They're pretty natural. I don't think they're much more than my natural eyelashes. It just gives them a little bit more length and a little bit more volume. But since, like I said, I've only done this a few times so far, I wanted something more natural and just to kind of make my eyes pop and not look too dramatic until I'm more used to it, maybe. All right,